Hello dear viewers, here I am presenting a small but an important concept related to the tangents to a circle from an external point. It is a concept of 10th standard mathematics. Let us learn and confirm the properties of tangents to a circle from an external point using a dynamic GeoGebra project made by me. Hope this will increase the clarity of the concept to the 10th standard students and they can able to make the things concrete regarding the properties of the tangents to the circle. Here I have made one GeoGebra project. It is a dynamic one. Here we can able to see that there is a circle and to that circle we have considered one external point C. From that point C we have taken the two tangents which are meeting the circle at two different points or point of contacts D and E. Now this point C is a dynamic point. We can move the position of the point. Okay, so therefore remember that external point can be anywhere out of the circle. Now when we draw the two tangents from this external point, then we have to deal with some properties associated with the tangents. The very first property is we can able to draw only two tangents from an external point to a circle. This is the first. So therefore we have CD and CE as the two tangents. The second property is these tangents will be always perpendicular to the radii of the circle which are taken at the point of contacts. See, CD is the tangent which meets the radius BD at the point D, and this tangent is perpendicular or it makes 90-degree angle with the radius. Here also we can able to see the same thing. See, if you change the position of C, the position of point of contact changes. I think you might have observed this. As I move this C towards or away from the circle, position of the point of contact changes, but the angle made by the tangent with the radius, it is always 90 degrees. So this is the second property what we have to understand. Then third property is the two tangents what we have taken, these two tangents will be always equal in length. Here you can able to see the length of the tangent CD 8.51 centimeter. Similarly the length of the tangent CE is also 8.51 centimeter. If you change the position of the point, length of the tangent changes, but they remain equal. See, wherever you can place this point C, see, as you move away, the length of the tangent increases, but both the lengths are equal. So this is the third property what we have to understand. Now we have one more property, that is these two tangents have made two angles. One angle is between the tangents itself and another angle is inscribed or it is created at the center of the circle, right? Now if you observe these two angles, one is DBE angle and another one is DCE angle. So these two angles are always supplementary to each other. What is the meaning of this? The sum of these two angles is always 180 degree. This is the another property or the last property what you have to understand. Even if you change the position, the angle changes. These two angles, they change their values, but their sum is again always 180 degree, right? See, this change can be made even by changing the radius of the circle also. Here I have changed the position of the point C, but even you can change the radius of the circle. You can take the circle of any radius. Again, all these properties, they are true. For example, here I have created a button to change the radius and the radius changes by 0.5 centimeter. See, just you observe the screen. See, now the radius is decreasing. As the radius changes, the length of the tangents change, but they remain equal. The angle at the center and angle at the point, the external point, they change, but their sum always remains 180 degree. Here you can see the change in the angles, but the sum of the angles always it is remaining as 180 degree only. Okay. So you can stop and you can observe here. See, the radius is very less now. It is decreased, but the sum of the angles is 180 degree, whereas the length of the tangents are equal. The angle created by the tangents with the radius are 90 degree each. With this beautiful GeoGebra project, we can able to understand the properties of the tangents to a circle from an external point in a very easy and effective manner. Hope the video is useful for the 10th standard students, so that the students can able to create the concrete concept in their. So thanks for watching this video. You can expect some other such videos from me in the nearby days, but your support is very much necessary for the Baraker's Educare Academy. So do support, do subscribe, give your suggestions and press the bell icon so that by next videos can reach. Thank you very much.